My dear friends, welcome to ArtMagic.
Drawing numbers can be so much fun. Drawing number 0. Start by drawing a perfect circle. This is the number 0. You can use a round object like a bottle cap or draw it freehand. Drawing number 1. Draw a straight line standing tall and proud. This is the number 1. Drawing number 2. Create a curved line that looks like a lowercase c, then add a small curved line at the top. Congratulations, you've drawn the number 2. Drawing number 3. Start by drawing a curved line, just like the top part of a heart. Add a small hump at the top, and you've made the number 3. Use different colors to fill it in and make it pop. Color it in with your favorite shades for a fantastic look. Drawing number 4. Draw a straight line down, then add a small line across at the top. Complete the number 4 by drawing a small curve connecting the straight line. Drawing number 5. Make a curve, then create a smaller curve inside it. That's the number 5. Drawing number 6. Draw a curve and loop it around to form a circle at the bottom. This is the number 6. Don't forget to fill it in with cheerful colors. Drawing number 7. Start with a straight line, then add a slanted line crossing through it at the top. That's the number 7. Drawing number 8. Create 2 circles, one inside the other. You've made the number 8. Use your imagination to color it in with different patterns or colors for a playful effect. Drawing number 9. Make a curve and add a small line crossing through it at the bottom. Voila! You've drawn the number 9. Use vibrant colors to make it stand out. Then, draw a vertical line intersecting the horizontal line in the middle, creating a plus sign. Use bright and cheerful colors to fill in the symbol, making it vibrant and lively. Draw 2 slanting lines, one going from the top left to the bottom right, and another from the top right to the bottom left, forming an X. This is the multiplication symbol. This is the division symbol, /. This forms the subtraction symbol. You've created the equal symbol. Add a burst of colors to make it look exciting and attractive. Congratulations! Now that you've drawn numbers 0 to 9, let your creativity flow by coloring them with your favorite shades. Have fun experimenting with different colors and patterns to make each number uniquely yours. You've learned how to draw and color basic math symbols. Now, bring out your creativity by using different colors and patterns to make these symbols pop. Have fun exploring and making math a colorful adventure. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.